the chicken. It's morning again and it's a beautiful day.
Oh, mommy!
The girl got up and prepared her big bowl and big spoon. After preparing her big bowl and big spoon, the girl went outside. She went to the garden. There she saw different kinds of fruit.
Wow!
The first fruit she saw are the bananas.
Look! Banana!
She got some, chopped it, and put them in the bowl. Next to the banana are the red crunchy apple. The girl went near the apple.
Apple!
She got some, chopped them, and put them in the bowl. After the apple, the girl saw the red sweet strawberries. The girl went near the strawberries.
Strawberry! Strawberry!
The girl got some, chopped them, and put them in the bowl. Then the girl saw the big green watermelon. The girl went near the watermelon.
Watermelon! I am a big
She got some, chopped them, and put them in the bowl. Finally, the girl saw the fresh milk of the cow. The girl went near the fresh milk.
I am a fat milk.
The girl got some and poured it in the bowl. After mixing all the fruits in the bowl, the girl took her magic spoon, waved it, and sang.
That's for the food.
Mix it well, stir it well until it tastes good and smells very nice. After finishing her dish, the people in the garden were amazed of what she did.
Yummy posada.
It is a yummy recipe because it is dense with protein and nutrients to keep our bodies healthy. And that is the magic recipe of the girl, which is the fruit salad that will make us healthy. The end.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Salad, salad. Apple, mango, banana, banana. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Salad, salad. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Salad, salad. Apple, mango, banana, banana. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Salad, salad. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Salad, salad.
Hands together and say 1, 2, 3.